Hello guys, so today I will teach you how to use PSpice and write .cir files. So first of all, you need to create a text document. इसको delete कर देता हूँ. I'll go new and text document. Then you have to change the extension to .cir and you can keep any extension here. .cir should be the extension and you can keep any name. ठीक है. Okay, so open in any text editor. Now here you can write the code for your circuit. Okay, so how will you write the code? So first of all, the first line is anything. You can give first line anything. So I can write here. It's ignored like a comment in a code. Next, you can start with all the necessary uh, components. So I'll tell you how to do it. Okay, so now we want to draw this circuit. So we'll start with the input voltage and you have to name the nodes, like here it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll name the nodes. So now we'll start with input voltage. So what is the input voltage? It's V in. So I'll write V in. You can start any voltage name with V, just V, capital or small. It is the .cir is not case sensitive. You can give uppercase or lowercase, anything. So I'm naming it V in. So then what is its position? So you have to write from source to uh, emitter, right? So it will be from 1 to 0. Sorry, so it will be from 0 to 1, because it is taking the voltage from 0 and giving it to 1. Okay, so what type of voltage it is? It is a DC voltage, so it's specified DC. Then after that you have to specify its value. It's 10 volt, 10 volt. Then semicolon to end the line. After that, anything you will write, it will be as comment. So I can write this will be treated as a comment. So next we'll write the registers. In between, you can give space, leave empty lines. It is okay, but you cannot leave empty spaces like this. You have to go in a column manner. It is a column manner. So I'll write a register here. So register starts with an R always, uppercase or lowercase. So I'll get R and I'll leave a value of 1. Then you have to specify its position from which to which. A register my position does not matter, but if you want to measure the current of the resistor, then like here we have to measure the current from 1 to 2. So I is positive here, 1 to 2. If I replace the resistor opposite ways, if I give here the opposite ways, the current's value will be just negative. It will be the other side around. So it does not matter until and unless you want your currents and voltages to be accurately measured with the correct sign. So I'll write here from 1 to 2. It's going from 1 to 2. And what will be the resistor's value? It's 5 ohms. So you don't need to specify ohms. It will default by default take it as ohms. So I'll give here this resistor 2. I see R2. R2 is 10 ohms. R2 goes from 2 to 3. Goes from 2 to 3, and that is 10 ohms. If you there are other, then we'll go R3 is 20, R4 is 40. R3 is from 2 to this we took as 0 node, so it's 0 node. So R3 will go from 2 to 0 node, and its value is 20 ohms. 20 ohms. Sure. Next, I'll skip all the resistors next resistors. Next, we have to do this current source. Okay, current source. I can do this up here with all the input sources. The current source starts with an I. It's an ideal current source. It starts with an I. Now, I'll give up here. Next, can give a name IS. It would start with I. And the position is from 4 to 3. So we'll go from 4 to 3, and it's a DC. It is a DC source. Its value is 2 amperes. So you can specify amperes or not. It will take input current, or I can write ideal current source. Ideal current source. Next up, we can write what we can measure. Yeah. So by default, for this current, so for this voltage source, PSpice will calculate this current, the current that is coming out of the voltage source. So if you want to calculate current from any other place, like if you want to calculate the current here, just say here, so what we can do is we can specify a voltage of 0 volt. We can specify a voltage of 0 volt, so that it won't affect the circuit, but also it will act like an emitter. So it's a nice trick you can do. So we'll do that. Vx, name is Vx, and it is from 5 to 4. So current will go from 5 to 4. Okay, so you want from 5 with the current coming from 4 to 5. You want 5, 4, and its value will be 0 volts. And okay, so next it is a what we have to calculate. Let's see, for the above circuit. Okay, we have the Thevenin's resistance. Thevenin has a for Thevenin resistance, we do something like there are different commands. So there is a transfer function command. You can see here. You can see this transfer function command here, right here. Yeah, transfer function command. It is dot tf. Then you do v, because you put on voltages. So what's voltage? Transfer function from 2 to 4, node 2 to node 4. It will be node 2 comma 4. Okay, node 2 comma 4. Then next, what is the next parameter that to be? Then we have to give the parameter the input voltage, because it's voltage, right? So input voltage, this is the output voltage, this is the output voltage, this is the input voltage, and we have to do a transfer function analysis on this both. Okay, so I will do this, and then I can give a dot end. This means the file has ended. So I'll quickly write other code also. I just skipped. Okay, so I wrote the code, and I forgot to mention here the type of the code. It is DC code, DC source, like the we use it for emitter, right? So we use this as an emitter. Okay, so now I will save this file, and after saving it, I have this saved file. I'll search pspice, pspice edit front. I have to open this file. I'll open this. Okay, after opening this, I can go to file and open, and go to the same directory where I have this my file. You cannot see it because the file type is different. You go on circuit files, you open this, circuit file opens, then you go on simulation, and you can run simulation. You'll see here the simulation is complete, and everything is calculated. If you don't see, you won't see any error here. If there is an error in your code, you'll see an error here. So after the simulation is complete, what you have to do is open the folder where you have this file. You'll see an extra output file is generated there. You can open that and see the output there. So what is the output we have? See, this is the input we gave. Then circuit description there. Then there is node voltage, node voltage, node voltage. Then here are the node 1 has a voltage of minus 10 volts with respect to 0, with respect to the zeroth, see here, with respect to the zero number of node, with respect to zero number of node, like here you can see. Okay, so we have node 1 has a voltage of minus 10 volts because this is 0 and this should be 10. This should be plus 10. Okay, I accidentally oh, गलत कर दिया मैंने. Right, अभी ठीक. So I changed it here. I did it 10, 10 from positive to negative. Then I'll go here. I have opened this file. I'll do here. So here I can do 10, 0. I can save it. Then I can go on simulation. I can run simulation. Yeah, I had to save the changes. See, there is no error. And I'll go here. We'll go in the output file. And yeah, so here come. I'll go to the output file. Okay, this was old output, I guess. Yeah, old was open. तो नोड 1 पे there is 10 volt. Node 1 is 10 volts. Node 2 is 11.892. This node 2 has a voltage of 11.892 with respect to the 0 volt. Okay, so you can see all the nodes are calculated. Voltages are all the nodes. Then you have the current. You have the current for all the voltage source. Voltage source name is V in. So V in. The current I in is 0.3784. Okay, this is the scientific notation. And Vx, so Vx here, Vx here. So we have the current through Rs, the current through Rs will be this much. Now the current through Rs, we can verify this how. We have this as 0 volts and this node 5 voltage is this much. So when Rs is 10, you multiply this by 10, you should get this, and that's what we get. Okay, then what you get is small signal characteristics. This is the transient analysis. Okay, so we output over input. What is output over input? It is the voltage gain. Voltage gain of the circuit is this much. What is the input resistance? At V in, we have this much. Output resistance, this much. So enjoy this total calculation. That's it for today, guys.